Open your Tradingview and go to the Indicator Search tab. In the Indicator Search tab, type UTBot. Then, select the UTBot indicator by Yo Adrian. After that, adjust the settings for the UTBot indicator. In the Input tab, change the key value to 5. Next, go to the Style tab. In the Style tab, uncheck the option for bar color. Once done, simply click OK to confirm the changes. As you can see, we will use the UTBot indicator as a guide for placing orders as well as for setting stop-loss levels in the market. If a buy signal appears, that means it's a buy entry signal. If a sell signal appears, that means it's a sell entry signal. You can place your stop-loss at the end of the ATR line. However, before placing a buy or sell order, it's best to confirm the signal that appears in the market first. Hello everyone, welcome to the Forex Strategy Explorer channel. In today's video, we're going to discuss a 1-minute scalping strategy that is very easy to understand, even if you're a beginner trader. Moreover, this trading strategy only uses 2 free indicators on Tradingview, so you can try it out completely free without any additional costs. We will demonstrate how to use this trading strategy for 1-minute crypto scalping, but aside from crypto trading, this scalping strategy also works effectively on other assets like gold and Forex. So, make sure you stay until the end of this video. And don't forget to support this channel by liking and subscribing. Let's get started. To achieve the best results with this scalping strategy, you can add one more indicator that will be used as a signal filter in the market. Open the Indicator Search tab and type Trend Alert. Then, select the Trend Alert indicator from the creator. The Trend Alert indicator will be used as a signal filter in the market. If the Trend Alert bar is green, it confirms an uptrend. If the Trend Alert bar is red, it confirms a downtrend. However, if the Trend Alert indicator does not show a green or red bar, it means there is no confirmed signal in the market. In this situation, you are not recommended to place any orders. Now, let's discuss how to place buy and sell orders using this scalping strategy. How to place a buy order. If a buy signal appears from the UTBot indicator, confirm that it is a valid buy signal. Verify that the Trend Alert indicator confirms an uptrend. Confirm that the formed candlestick is a bullish candlestick. If all conditions are met, place a buy order after the bullish candlestick closes. Set the stop loss at the end of the ATR line. Use a take profit target with a risk to reward ratio of 1 to 1.5. How to place a buy order. If a buy signal appears from the UTBot indicator, confirm that it is a valid buy signal. Verify that the Trend Alert indicator confirms an uptrend. Confirm that the formed candlestick is a bullish candlestick. If all conditions are met, place a buy order after the bullish candlestick closes. Set the stop loss at the end of the ATR line. Use a take profit target with a risk to reward ratio of 1 to 1.5. How to place a sell order. If a sell signal appears from the UTBot indicator, confirm that it is a valid sell signal. Verify that the Trend Alert indicator confirms a downtrend. confirm that the formed candlestick is a bearish candlestick. If all conditions are met, place a sell order after the bearish candlestick closes. Set the stop loss at the end of the ATR line. Use a take-profit target with a risk-to-reward ratio of 1 to 1.5. Always stay disciplined in money management to effectively control risk, and make sure not to place orders if the conditions do not align with the strategy. If you find this trading strategy helpful, don't hesitate to hit the like and subscribe button so you won't miss out on future trading strategy updates. That's all for now, see you in the next video.